created wedge by triangular block. Triangular block or wedge. It is placed on ground and there is no friction between the wedge and the ground. There is another block placed on the inclined surface of the block. Again, there is no friction between the surface of contact between the block and the body. So, friction nahi. There is no energy loss that is occurring during the process. If friction tha, when this smaller block will slide down, some energy will be lost. If there is some friction here, when the wedge moves forward, here this moving backward, again there will be some loss of energy. Nothing sort of that is happening here. The body will fall down along the inclined surface, and because of that, the wedge will move backward. Suppose A naught is the acceleration of wedge or triangular block, and A is the acceleration of body with respect to wedge. With respect to wedge. With respect to wedge. If we consider our observation with respect to ground, then pseudo force will not be considered. If somebody is observing with respect to the wedge, then pseudo force has to be considered because it is not an inertial frame right now. If inertial है, then A naught will come down to zero. Result just down. So simply with constant velocity it is moving, it has zero acceleration. हम जोड़ी A naught minus कर दे, so zero है ना? तो बर्तन देखो, A is the acceleration of block with respect to the wedge. जो हमें observe करें with respect to block, sorry wedge, with respect to wedge, with respect to wedge, there is no motion along a direction perpendicular to the inclined surface. But with respect to ground, there is motion along the direction. The fan. The block wedge it has the block right. This some wedge it has gone, and in that time interval it has come down to this point. So initially it had a vertical distance of this length. Now it is of this height. So in the vertical downward direction, it has covered this much of distance. In the horizontal distance, it has covered this much of distance. Along a direction perpendicular to wedge, it has covered this much of distance. This is the observation with respect to ground. This is the distance travelled by the block along a direction perpendicular to inclined surface. This is the distance. This is the distance. It was here initially, not here. This is the distance that the block has travelled along the vertically downward direction with respect to ground. And this is the distance the block has travelled along the horizontal direction with respect to ground. So with respect to ground, motion is taking place along all directions. But if somebody is sitting here on the wedge and he is observing the motion of the block, then along which direction there is no motion? Along the direction perpendicular to the inclined surface. There is no motion taking place along that direction. That means net force along this direction with respect to wedge is zero. On which body? On the block. If we are observing from the wedge, it will experience a pseudo force. A may not along the opposite direction. Weight is always vertical downward. There is no dispute on this. Then, so the normal it is pressing the surface by some force, and with that force it will react. That is the normal action. So normal action what? This is the force with which the block is pressing the wedge, and also wedge is reacting in the opposite direction to the block. So if there are no motion of the wedge, what would have been the normal action? Mg cos theta. Mg cos theta. But right now it is not mg cos theta. It will be less than that. With whatever force the block presses the surface, the surface will react with that force. That is normal action. Suppose ये रेस्ट अच्छी, ये कितना प्रेस करता था? mg cos theta. mg तो रिएक्शन कोई था mg cos theta. जो प्रेस को it is accelerating backward. So pressing force will it come down slightly or will it go? Come easy. Then say down so effective normal action right now is n which is less than mg cos theta. We must be sure on this. With respect to s, if we take the motion along a direction along perpendicular to AC, perpendicular AC, then net force will be 0. And with respect to s, there is no net force along that direction, but we have to take pseudo force into account. With respect to s, we have to take pseudo force into account. Along this direction, weight has some component. What is that? mg cos theta. It is acting downward. Then there is another force. M a naught sin theta. Upward. Normalization upward. So this should be m a naught sin theta plus normalization. M a naught sin theta plus normalization. Equation 1. F net 0. Force along downward should be equal to the force upward. N is upward. M a naught component M a naught sin theta, that is also upward. The two collectively will cancel the component of force, component of weight along the perpendicular direction. Good equation by another equation. Which force is causing the motion to the wedge? It has a weight acting vertically downward, but it has no component along the horizontal direction. Its weight is playing no role at all. Which first force the block is pressing the wedge? N, not mg cos theta right now. It is fixed on the mg cos theta. But constant will be mg cos theta. So N, the wedge is pressed by the block with the force N. What is the component of that force along the direction of motion of wedge? This is theta, then n sin theta. N sin theta will be the only force which will cause motion to the wedge. We have got two equations. हम तो solve करके जा. हम दरकार a naught and a naught are not given. खाली capital M given, small m given, and angle of inclination theta given. So we need another equation. With respect to wedge, the body is sliding down with acceleration a. With acceleration a. With acceleration a. अच्छा एन किसी कंपोनेंट नहीं एम ए नॉट रो किसी कंपोनेंट अछि ना नहीं अछि एम ए नॉट रो कंपोनेंट अछि अच्छा जदि हम अज्यूम करबा विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड हेले एम ए नॉट को हम रिजेक्ट करबा विथ वेज हेले एम ए नॉट को काउंट करबा पड़िबो हैला एम ए नॉट दिटा कंपोनेंट एम ए नॉट sin theta एम ए नॉट cos theta. Force component due to pseudo force. A was the acceleration with respect to the final acceleration. So ma must be a is the acceleration with respect to wedge. A is the acceleration with respect to wedge. Will this acceleration play any role along this direction? sin theta. It is a component of weight. Component of this will come into picture whether this is accelerating or not. ये accelerate करू ना करू ये आसिबो. If it is accelerating, this force will come. It will have some component along this direction. What is that? Ma not cos theta. Both are acting. With respect to as this force will come into picture. This is the net force with respect to an observer sitting on the wedge. That should be equal to Ma. ठीक नहीं ठीक नहीं को अच्छा एको हम कौन करिबा हमर n sin थीटा दरकार बोथ साइड्स मल्टीप्लाई करे sin थीटा mg cos थीटा sin थीटा इक्वल टू ma नॉट sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस n व्हिच इज ma नॉट तो mg cos थीटा sin थीटा इक्वल टू m sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस m होल टाइम्स a नॉट कहते mg sin थीटा cos थीटा होल डिवाइडेड बाय m sin स्क्वायर थीटा এটা বললা অ্যাক্সিলারেশন অফ ওয়েজ যদি এ দরকার দেন এটি পকে দেব খবর নাই খবর নাই এই তো পোস্ট করে দে এটা এম पुली ये गोटे पुली मुवेबल पुली ये होची एम ये होची 3 तीनटा मास होची फ्रिक्शनलेस और वेटलेस इट इज इंपोर्टेंस मन रखिबो सपोज ये ए एक्सेलरेशन ने आछी ये तो टुवर्ड्स राइट जीवो आर ऑप्शन किछ नै हो ये वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड जीवो सपोज ए नॉट हला की एटी वन टेंशन टी एटी टी हम गोटे स्ट्रिंग है तेणु एटी टेंशन टी डैश बुझेगा जदि पुली सब मास है एम डैश है अच्छा बता देखो पुली नहीं ये मतलब ये हम ना ये जी एयर एक्सेलरेशन पुल भी एक्सेलरेशन से आव है ना ये देखो we are observing from ground this pull is coming down with acceleration A. How many forces are acting on that pulley? These two forces are acting downward. So tension da along the string and towards the string away from body. यहाँ पर tension ठीक अड़े ये tension ना अड़े ये ऊपर लगी पुली रो मास अछि m डैश तो नेट डाउनवर्ड फोर्स m डैश g minus 2t sorry plus 2t এটা net downward force হলো upward force দে t dash is the net force on the pulley along the downward direction and this will be equal to its mass times acceleration. If m dash is 0 pulley is massless then 2t equal to t dash I mean it is under the condition that pulley is massless otherwise टीटी हेले टीटी टूटी हम ना है जेहेतु मासलेस टेंशन टा होची टूटी यार मास दे ना यदि मास थिबो टेंशन अलग आसीबो यदि मासलेस हे गला ये टीटी हेले से टूटी बुझिला ना हला अच्छा जब नियम करंदी धर इटा रोड टी यार मास कैपिटल एम তাহলে এল সি এল আমি এই ফোর্স অ্যাপ্লাই করি ফ্রিকশনলেস এ ইকুয়াল টু m by f by m all the parts of the rod are moving with same acceleration if you consider a portion at distance y from the end where force is acting then what is the tension at that point let it be t if we consider the motion of this one, it is subject to force T only. Its weight will have no role for its motion. तार weight of motion angle line दिगला. तो T equal to R mass. Total mass m कितने length में? L length में. तार length L minus y into F by m. F by m. तो tension टा depend करेगा y ऊपर. तो ना different points tension different. A different points tension different. सब तो other tension पड़ा सिवो. पूरा ଏପଟେ ହେଲା କି ଯଦି ଏଟା ମାସଲେସ୍ ହେଇଯିବ ତ ଏଠି ଟେନସନ ଏଫ୍ ସବୁ ଜାଗା ବି ଏଫ୍ ହେଲା କି ତ ମାସଲେସ୍ ହେଲେ ସବୁ ଜାଗା ଟେନସନ ଏଫ୍ ରହିବ ହେଲା ନା ଏଠି ଏଫ୍ ଏଠି ବି ଏଫ୍ ଯଦି ମାସ୍ ଥିବ ଦେନ୍ ଆର୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ପଏଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଟେନସନ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା କି ଯଦି କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଭେଲୋସିଟି ମୁଭ୍ କରୁଛି ଆକ୍ସେଲରେସନ ଜିରୋ ଦେନ୍ ଟେନସନ ସେମ୍ ତେଣୁ ଗୋଟେ ରଡ୍ ଇଜ ହାଭିଂ ସଡନ୍ ମାସ୍ and it is moving on a horizontal track. How will the tension vary from one end to the other?
Tension is only zero.
No. It can vary if it is having an acceleration. If it is moving with constant velocity,
Zero.
then tension will be same at each point. ହେଲା କି କୋଉଟା ଗଲ ଟେନସନ ଟା ए पर्सन हिसाब कला माने टेंशन दा कोन ताको डाउन पड़िबो जे मैं आपको हिसाब करदा टेंशन दा बांग पड़ता है लगी तो आ ऊपर प्रेशर ये पकेबो ना या ऊपर से पाटा पकेबो है लगी माने टेंशन जो पोसे टाइक अछि स्ट्रेच एक अछि
कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी रो माने टेंशन दा केते माने
चेक कर दो ना हमरा कहले तुम चेक करनी देखो सब जरा बॉडी कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी नेट फोर्स जीरो नेट फोर्स जीरो बुझिला ना तो सुता both are moving with same speed net same speed force zero means there is no acceleration no acceleration each part will have same velocity this is tension का मतलब नहीं टेंशन का मतलब नहीं फ्री कॉलिंग फ्री केस नहीं सेटा भी नहीं ओनली है like the acceleration massless body mass थियो body रो टेंशन वेरी करिवो along the length of the rod the massless हेतिवो तो rod रो each point टेंशन समान रहइवो तो सेटा केस एनी बता रेडी कर तो जेता massless किछ न कहजो ना अज्यूम करे massless है कि ए फुली massless and frictionless friction जे रहइवो फ्री टेंशन वेरी करजिवो कारण एठी जो टेंशन वेरी कम जिवो हला सेती फोर्स हम एक्जेक्टली याको पुल करिबे नाही तो आ पे इक्वेशन होची 2t इक्वल टू ता मास इन एक्सेलरेशन तो हम t इक्वल में बड़ी इक्वेशन पाई गले ठीक ना नहीं अच्छा सपोज अच्छा ए एक्सेलरेशन था जो पुली सेकंड पुली इज फॉलिंग डाउन विथ एक्सेलरेशन है इट इज द एक्सेलरेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग फ्रॉम ग्राउंड हला ये तो पड़िबो ये भी मास डिफरेंट अछि ये तळक आसीबो ये ऊपर जीवो सपोज a not equal to acceleration of 3m with respect to this is pulley number 2 pulley number 1 with respect to pulley number 2 यदि with respect to p2 ये a not रे खसिला a not ऊपर गडिबो this is the acceleration with respect to p pulley number 2 अच्छा हमें ऑब्जर्व करें विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड जहां यदि विथ रिस्पेक्ट पुली ऑब्जर्व करें सीडो पके पड़ियो सीडो पके पड़ियो अच्छा ग्राउंड दृष्टि ये कोड जाउ तळ खसु अच्छा ग्राउंड दृष्टि पुली पर तळ खसु अच्छा आ पर वेट के 3 mg तळ को टेंशन ऊपर सेरा उतार मास इन एक्सेलरेशन a plus a नॉट कारण विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पुली से a नॉट खसला पुली इटसेल्फ इज फॉलिंग डाउन विथ एक्सेलरेशन है तो अच्छा for this mass it is moving upward there can be two cases suppose with respect to ground it is moving upward then who is dominating t minus mg तर मास इक्वल टू हमें कहले ऊपर कुछ जाउची नेट तुमने हमें अज्यूम कर देले a नॉट a टू बड़ तो m टाइम्स a नॉट माइनस a कारण ये जति एक्सेलरेशन जाला सेतल कम रे आसी त नेट ऊपर गला ना टीटा इस तरह पढ़ाई तो काढू mg2 ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ତାକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରି ପାଇଯିବେ ତାକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିକି
ପାଇଯିବ।
ପାଇଯିବେ ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ଯଦି यार मास रहिबो यार ଯଦି मास रहिबो सुनो ये धर एक्सेलरेशन भी करू नाही एक्सेलरेशन करू नाही it is suppose it is stationary pulley it is stationary pulley it has certain mass if it has certain mass then it is having moment of inertia
Moment of inertia.
it is rotating
Rotating.
there is a torque on active on it
ଆସିବ।
if tension on both sides are same will there be torque
ନା ଆସିବନି।
ତେଣୁ ଯଦି ମାସ୍ ଥିବ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟମ୍ ଥିବ ଏବଂ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ସ୍ପିଡ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉଥିବ ଦେନ୍ ବି ଟେନସନ୍ ଭାରି କରିବ ଏ ଟେନସନ୍ ଏମିତି ଲଗା ହବ କାହିଁକିନା ଏ ଟେନସନ୍ ତାକୁ କ୍ଲଗେଜ୍ ବୁଲଉଛି ଏ ଟେନସନ୍ ତାକୁ ଆଣ୍ଟି କ୍ଲଗେଜ୍ ବୁଲେଇବ ୟା ପାଇଁ ଟର୍କ କେତେ ସପୋଜ ଟି ଏମ୍ ସପୋଜ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ T1 and T2
T into R ଆଉ।
T2 R କ୍ଲଗେଜ୍ ୟା ପାଇଁ T1 R ଆଣ୍ଟି କ୍ଲଗେଜ୍ ତାର ମାସ୍ ଅଛି ମୋମେଣ୍ଟମ୍ ଇନର୍ସିଆ
Moment of inertia.
ନେଟ୍ ଫୋର୍ସ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ ମାସ୍ ଇନ୍ ଆକ୍ସିଲରେସନ୍
Mass inertia.
ନେଟ୍ ଟର୍କ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟମ୍ ଇନର୍ସିଆ ଇନ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ଆକ୍ସିଲରେସନ୍ this is non-zero
Non-zero.
if it is its rotational motion is changing its rotational speed is changing there is finite acceleration then torque is non-zero
Non-zero.
if torque is non-zero T1 and T2 will be different T1 and T2 will be
Different.
if it is a massless pulley so I has already become zero
Zero.
tau net zero
Zero.
that means T1 equal to T2 so under two conditions massless and frictionless massless and frictionless এই স্টেটমেন্টରେ ନଜର କରିବ ଯାହା ପଚାରିଲା ହେଲା କି ସେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିଦେଲା ମାନେ ତାମାନେ ଆବସଲ୍ୟୁଟଲି କରିବାକୁ କହିଲା ତାମାନେ ସବୁଟା ଠିକ୍ କରିବ ମେ ବି ହେଲେ ତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ହେଲା କି ମେ ବି ହେଲେ ତ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା କି ଜାଣିପାରିଲ ନା